What's going on there, YouTube? This is a quick little tutorial on an ambient light sensor. Always making your lights turn on, even in the daytime. So you're gonna need two things. It's a little window cleaner. Any sort of soap, chemical type stuff will probably work. Also need a little rag. So an ambient sensor. Most of them are going to be in the front of the dash. Right here, that's your ambient sensor right there. Mine's a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna take some of this glass cleaner on this rag, spray it off, wipe her down, and those lights should hopefully turn off. Stay tuned for just a few seconds. Okay, so I sprayed some window cleaner on this rag. We're gonna go right up to the ambient sensor, and we're just gonna wipe her down. Let's wipe her down. Excuse the dog here. This is my dog hauler. It's a nice Chevy Trailblazer. And now we should come outside. Hopefully these lights turn off. And there we go, they turned off. That is how you do it. Clean that ambient light sensor. Perfecto. Just a little bit of a cleaning. Some sensors may be stuck on all the time, even in the direct sunlight. So that would mean to replace your ambient sensor. Unsure of price, I assume reasonably cheap. But if you're tired of having your headlights on, even during the daytime, take a little window cleaner, a little soapy water, get a little rag, spray that down, fit and finish, lights go off. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more.